What if you found out you're not reaching the vast majority of your potential customers? So hypothetically, because I don't actually know, you spend most of your marketing budget on paid ads for Google and TikTok, and you get paid traffic from people looking for your product or service. Sounds good, but there are also users who are not actively looking for your business, but can become potential customers. And when you're not reaching out to them, you're missing out on more business. So this is a perfect time for you to really consider building an e-commerce affiliate program. What is that? How do you do it? That's what this video is about. Because with an e-commerce affiliate program, you open up your online store to more web traffic and of course, more business. So I'm going to share with you the multiple benefits of affiliate marketing, how to start your own affiliate program, and valuable tips to have a successful affiliate marketing run. If you guys don't know me, I'm Connor Kalous from Debutify, the all-in-one e-commerce solution. Check out debutify.com and you can get a 14-day free trial there. So what is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a marketing channel where a publisher can earn money by promoting a product or service from an advertiser. You've definitely seen the words affiliate link or sponsored #ad on social media. That means the person who posted it could be part of an affiliate program or just a one-off promotion. The e-commerce sites, the payouts usually come in the form of direct sales, free trial users, leads such as newsletters, signups to other forms, and clicks. How does an e-commerce affiliate marketing program actually work? Well, an affiliate program in any space is just a partnership between two people. The first one is the merchant, also called the publisher. So in this case, the e-commerce store owner selling a product or a service. The second one is the affiliate partner. They promote the products or services on this website in exchange for a commission on each sale. The commission structure for an affiliate program depends on the e-commerce site owner and the affiliate partners. But there are affiliate marketing programs that have a flat rate per sale, not a percentage. With an affiliate program, you work with different affiliate partners. They can promote your e-commerce brand in a lot of different ways, such as discussed before, the affiliate links, blog posts and reviews, straight up posts on social media platforms, and larger, more invested things like a podcast. So if you're the business owner, you're essentially going to use their social proof and more website traffic to increase your site traffic and increase sales for your business. Now, what other benefits can you get from affiliate marketing? Well, as I just said, let's start with the obvious. It drives website traffic. With e-commerce affiliate programs, you'd have a chance to work with different affiliate partners. You can work with bloggers, influencers, and content creators. That means that you're going to have access to omni-channel traffic, which leads to a wider range on your target audience. So an example is you have a partner in the beauty and lifestyle niche. They then promote your cold pressed juice on their social media channels where you don't really have a presence. The target market is going to see your e-commerce store being promoted, which they will remember next time they think about buying juice. If they buy juice online, maybe you're the next juice online store extraordinaire. That's the affiliate partnership. Up next, affiliate marketing can also bring you excellent return on investment. It is responsible for 16% of all online orders. And what's more, consumers will spend more when the product is an affiliate's recommendation because of the commission structure. Since an affiliate program depends on the affiliate link's performance, you can also set the commission when affiliates promote that product or service. It also boosts credibility. Remember, affiliate program means you're leveraging the affiliate's influence. Customers trust online reviews and they trust what influencers and content creators recommend. So when these people promote your e-commerce store, online shoppers will trust you even more. At least for now. I'm not sure how long this trend is going to go on as people are wisening up to these kinds of sponsored posts in the background. It can also increase sales. You know how building trust is crucial for online businesses, especially newly established ones that lack product reviews. But with a quality affiliate review and useful content, your target audience can trust that product and that recommendation from the affiliate. Now that's going to change your affiliate's audience into qualified leads for your target audience. And that's how you generate a bit more revenue with affiliate marketing. Now, last but not least, an affiliate program is easy to scale. You might think that spending more on your marketing efforts means more return on investment, but only some online businesses have that option. But with affiliate marketing, all you really need is an efficient marketing strategy. Because commissions are only given after a sale, you don't have to spend anything up front. All you need to do is work smart on your affiliate program and make it work for your affiliates and yourself, because it's all about relationships. Now, to get even better results, you might consider hiring an affiliate manager. They're gonna handle your program and get all of the best affiliates and look after the whole admin side of things. Now you can probably see how affiliate marketing is one of the top customer acquisition methods. And if you're still watching this video, thanks so much. I'm just talking to a camera in my room, so I really appreciate that. I'd love it if you gave it a like, and we'll keep going. But anyway, how do you start your affiliate marketing program? Plan your objectives and your KPIs. So let's keep this step simple. You have to ask yourself, what do I want to accomplish and how am I going to measure my success? Clearly defining your goals is going to help you choose the affiliate networks that suit your brand. Having key performance indicators will also let you know if your affiliate marketing strategy is actually working or not. So some goals that you can consider are reduce customer acquisition cost. Man, that's a wordy sentence. Increase site traffic to your e-commerce platform, increase average order value, increase conversion rates by the end of the year. After you've listed down these goals, you can list how you're going to measure your progress. So consider these common KPIs. Click traffic. That's just the amount of clicks you get from the affiliate program specifically. Gross order, the total number of sales from it. EPC, earnings per 100 clicks, and conversion rate, the percentage of people buying from your site as measured by how many visitors that you have. Your affiliate partnerships manager can also recruit more and more affiliates, so you won't have to depend on just one affiliate. That way you'll have a healthy division of affiliate sales. And once you've got all those goals and your KPIs set, you can ... Number 2, research your competitors. Make no mistake, your competitors most likely have an affiliate program, and you can learn a lot by analyzing said competitor. So get a pen and paper out or a piece of parchment and list your competitors and online retailers, and do a quick little Google search on how their affiliate program works. You can even sign up for that program and keep track of said affiliate network. Doing so will let you in on their distribution channels and a couple of, Willy Wonka trade secrets. You will also see their commission rates, email marketing, incentives, and bonuses. And knowing these things can help you prepare your own affiliate network and also help you create a commission structure. For instance, your competitor offers a commission of 15% per sale. You can see their online store being featured on popular websites. You can then match the amount to target relevant sites. Of course, your goal should be to stand out from the competitors, not just, copy what's already existing. And then the next thing that you have to do is number 3, choose your affiliate platform. Affiliate marketers have different preferences when it comes to platforms. Here are some that you can consider for your affiliate program. Review sites and niche forums. These are sites that are created for specific audiences like Reddit. You can create content relevant to the affiliate site to gain more visitors. Digital marketing content. So, bloggers, vloggers, social media influencers, they have their own audience that you can reach out to through the affiliates. And then events and workshops. You can get active affiliates to be a part of your event. To choose your platform, consider which one you understand the best, as well as what you use the most. You can also choose to join an affiliate network, which is a dedicated platform for you to find your potential publishers to promote your product or service. Remember earlier I said publishers are also affiliates. The next step is 4, define your commission strategy. So how much can you pay your affiliates? Of course, you want to support people and you want to pay them as much as you can. A low commission rate won't attract affiliates, and a high one might negatively affect your profit margin. So I really can't tell you what to do. You've got to look at the books for that one. To have a profitable strategy, you need to consider this. Commission of 8 to 10% is generous for an e-commerce purchase, but it all depends on how much you can gain from each sale from that affiliate marketer. And keep in mind, your affiliate commissions are considered in your cost per acquisition, which means repeat sales are very important for a good return on investment. All right, and now number 5, you can launch your affiliate program. Have you decided what platform you're going to use? Good, well, it's time to make it live. If you choose to go with affiliate networks, you can use their marketing tool to manage your affiliate campaigns. But no matter which platform you choose, the next thing to do is to connect it to your e-commerce business. You can create a little landing page where your potential affiliates sign up. So how are they going to sign up? Well, number 6 is invite potential affiliates. Here's something that's obvious. For your affiliate program to succeed, you need to attract good quality affiliates. Find a potential affiliate website, social media influencers, or prominent bloggers, and make sure that their audiences match your target audience. And to recruit affiliates, you can also make use of email marketing strategies to reach out. And we have lots of videos on email marketing. Create a list of, good quality affiliates, and then you can send them to that dedicated page that you've created. Try and make it easy for people, provide every detail that they need to know. Try and answer some frequently asked questions. And then once you examine and approve each affiliate, then you got to go to number 7, provide marketing materials to your affiliates. So affiliate marketing is performance-based. This means that you need to help your new affiliates with their promotions. Make sure that you provide relevant links. That's kind of a no-brainer. And that also includes the personalized discount codes so you can keep track. You can also give them social media materials such as high-res images, videos, and whatever else that you want to share. And of course, it's all about authenticity and connecting with the audience. So ensure that your promotions align with your affiliates branding as well. For example, I sometimes make videos for a company called Brightrip, and they have given me a bunch of assets inside of like a media kit or a press kit. And then I can add those assets into my videos, which is going to keep the brand of Brightrip consistent. All right, and the last one, track your own e-commerce affiliate program to know if your marketing is actually working. You'll learn more about what your audience likes and dislikes if you keep track. And you can also monitor your conversion rates to check if changes are actually succeeding. And then you can go back to those KPIs and adjust some things. Hope that this was useful to you and that you have a lovely rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.